Now, this is a Union Pacific Railroad vertical lift bridge designed by Waddell and Harrington. Now, this bridge crosses the Mississippi River, located in St. Paul, Minnesota. And I'm going to show you when it's raised. See, the bridge is raised for boats and ships. Yep, and then it lowers for train traffic. And this bridge is back in the lower position, and this is used for railroad traffic in this span drive lift bridge because it's got the machinery on the lift span. And so, and Minnesota has movable bridges and everything. So, and it's manned, and it's still in service. So, yeah, so this crosses the Mississippi River, located in St. Paul, Minnesota.